Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you screen recording guide. In the beginning, swipe down notification bar and find screen recorder. Tap on it to start or stop recording. Before, make sure that permissions are allowed. Recording is enabled. Now, during recording, you can mute or unmute mic, pause or unpause, and stop recording. Next, if you tap and hold on this icon, you will go to Screen Recording Settings, where you can record from system sound, record from microphone, you can show touches, change video quality, and hide notifications while screen recording. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.